Standing at the rain-soaked bus stop, I locked eyes with an old friend whose departure from my life once left a scar too deep to acknowledge. The years had woven a tapestry of bitterness between us, but in that moment, the storm washed away past grievances. Without a word, we boarded the same bus, an unspoken agreement to journey together. Over coffee and shared stories of heartache and hope, I discovered the power of vulnerability, how admitting my own faults could open doors to healing. As our laughter echoed through the small cafe, I realized forgiveness wasn't about forgetting the pain, but about freeing myself from its chains. This unexpected reunion taught me that holding on to grudges only weighs us down and that sometimes, the person we least expect holds the key to our liberation. We parted ways with lighter hearts and a renewed belief in the beauty of second chances, my life forever altered by the courage to forgive and the grace to let go.